Alright. Alright, we gotta get going. Oh my god. I can't turn around, there's no, Here, I'm gonna look out the window real quick, I just gotta see this. Okay, I just had to look for a second. Alright, let's see. Oh, we have a ways to go. Holy guys! Dude! Okay. Sorry, I turned around to look, I forgot. Where you look, you drive. It's kind of obnoxious steering. Oh no. We're losing comrades.
It is appreciated.
Okay, if you feel like you don't want to follow the train right now, I can understand because that circle is pretty far. We're gonna meet up right here, at the edge of the bridge. Oh, what am I doing? Okay. You know what? I don't think I'm gonna drive anymore. I don't know if I'm gonna drive anymore. Hold on, somebody put me in the back seat. I can't fucking drive. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Okay. It's the off-brand Hudson I roasted in the lobby, dude. I'm sorry about earlier, dude. Oh, he briefly spams. It's not so bad. And to be honest, I don't even care for spam. As long as it's not like... I can see 10 rows of people talking, and if all 10 of those are one guy, that's excessive. But, you know, just trying to... Oh god, I'm lagging already really bad. Oh shit, you motherfucker. You found me.
Jason Hudson, CIA.
Oh, it's an off-brand Hudson. Nope. Nope. You gotta have the white coat. Disgrace. Alright. I know you. I know you. Where's white coat Hudson? Dude, please give me a ride. Yes, drive. Oh, what are the odds? I'm so sorry. Alright, everybody. Yeah.